Colonel Roy has served with the army for a very long time and he's worked in diverse roles. Sir, can you please share more than the borders? Normal our feeling is that सिपाही है, सरहद पे बंदूक लेके खड़ा हुआ है. So what else does the army do? और सर जब लड़ाई नहीं होती तब तो वो वहाँ पे बैठ के चाय पी रहे हो.
Thank you, Ankur. I'll resume from here. I'll not talk about the army only. It's the army, navy, and the air force. In Lieutenant Nisha's video, आपने last में देखा होगा that even the navy or the air force or the army, we do much beyond standing just on the border. जैसे कि कैप्टन अमित ने, अंकुर ने बताया है, armed forces is the first line of defense and remember is the last bastion or the last pillar. हम चार डेमोक्रेसी के जो पिलर्स बोलते हैं, I think there has to be a fifth one which is the armed forces which is missing. Judiciary, political, media वगैरह जो पिलर्स गिनते हैं, we have over a period of time missed out the defense which was proved. अभी recently कैप्टन अटल अभिषेक ने जो ऑप सिंदूर में दिया. And what about the air superiority जो सर बोल रहे थे? I'm slightly digressing. Op Sindoor was a battle by the Air Force and the Air Defense. So that was what is our air superiority. Chalo, coming back to beyond the borders. You are there everywhere. जैसे कि बताया, बच्चा कुएं में गिर जाए, आर्म फोर्सेस को बुला लो. उत्तराखंड में टनल में से नहीं निकाल पा रहे हैं. Yes, the RAC people did it, but then the armed forces were there. The corps of engineers of the army were digging the hole with their borers. वायनाड में फ्लड आया, लैंडस्लाइड हुआ. It was the armed forces people from Chennai, and it was a combined effort of the army, navy, air force. Andaman में सुनामी आया. What were this administration doing? Nothing. They could not, because the armed forces is the last bastion. So that is where we are. We have our resources, we just don't fire. We use them to save everybody. Even you people who are the third line of defense in NCC, जो प्रोजेक्ट्स करते हैं, जैसे कैप्टन सन्याल ने बता रहे थे, रत्नागिरी में बीच को साफ करा के he brought prominence to that NCC unit which was dormant. So you did for the society. You will think, sir, हम बीच क्यों साफ कर रही, तो हमारा काम नहीं है. But you are there for the society. You are there to help the people, not fight and show your power physically. You see, anywhere riots होता है, कहीं पे भी, the army units are put at stand to. They go out on flag march against the people who are rioting. Then counter insurgency, JNK में बोलिए, मणिपुर में बोलिए, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में कहीं पे भी, even in Madhya Pradesh against the so-called Naxals, armed forces people are training the police and the other people. NSG, majority of them are people from the Army, Navy and Air Force. They are the para-commandos, the SEALs and the Garud, they are all going there. So that is what we are doing. And you all as NCC cadets are also part of this, remember. You must not just think it कि हम तो NCC में, you must get that stream of thing as discipline into you and make it your genetic order. So that is what the armed forces are doing. And एक और बहुत prominent बात है, the Army, Navy, Air Force, or the armed forces, we have got the maximum number of UN peacekeepers. United Nation peacekeeping में maximum जो missions हैं हमारे हैं. I will not name out, then time management हमारा खराब हो जाएगा, because the list is endless. So that is what we are doing. Finally, एक मैं एनसीसी कैडेट से पूछूंगा जो पूरी पिक्चर में डायलॉग है, हाउ इज द जोश? हाय सर। कोई हाय नहीं है. Taking much time, I'll just close by saying only that please respect the armed forces, the people uniform, and there is no one-upmanship. Let us not disrespect the army jawan or a naval jawan or an air force jawan, because they are there because of you and you are there because of them. That is all I'll say. Respect your armed forces.